Listen, if you're a creator right now getting low views, barely any clicks, and your content just isn't getting pushed, it's not your content, it's how your content is being packaged for the algorithm. And today, I'm going to show you a system that fixes that. Most creators are doing this completely wrong. They guess their titles, they throw in random hashtags, they don't understand SEO, and they post without a real system. Then they wonder why nothing grows. So instead of guessing, I built something that does it all, step by step. This is Algo Raid, the growth engine for creators, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1, Creator Preset. Everything starts here. You set up your identity once, your name, your niche, your game, your hashtags, your content style. For example, Gaming with Pure Evil 175, Gaming Creator, Star Citizen. What this does is it makes sure everything generated after this is aligned to your brand. No more random outputs, no more guessing. Step 2, Growth Generator. This is where things start moving. You select your content type, your game, your topic, and your traffic goal. Then you hit Generate, and instantly, you get high click-through rate titles, SEO-optimized descriptions, tag stacks, and hashtags, all done for you. This alone replaces hours of work. You also have powerful tools right here: viral titles, 30-day plans, thumbnail prompts, trend radar, and hijack hashtags. This is where you stop guessing and start using what actually works. Step 3, Weekly Generator. Now, instead of planning day by day, you can build your entire week in seconds. Enter your theme, select your number of days, click Generate, and you get a full weekly content plan, titles, descriptions, tags, all lined up. Now you have a system, not chaos. Step 4, AI Settings. This is where you take it even further. You can connect AI and control how powerful your content generation becomes. Titles, descriptions, hashtags, hooks, or keep it simple with the built-in engine. You're always in control. Step 5, AI Enhancement Tools. Now let's say you already generated your content. You can enhance it instantly. Rewrite your titles, upgrade your descriptions, expand your ideas, generate stronger hooks. This is how you turn decent content into high-performing content. Step 6, Growth Features. This is where Algo Raid becomes powerful. Hijack Hashtag Generator. This pulls in trending hashtags, top creators, authority keywords, so your content starts appearing next to bigger creators. Trending creator detection. You see who's winning in your niche and position your content right beside them. Creator Performance Brain. This builds intelligence around your content so you improve over time instead of guessing forever. Step 7, Analytics plus Memory. You also get tools that track your growth, personal growth memory, and a YouTube video analyzer. So you're not just posting content, you're learning what works and scaling it. Step 8, Competitor Hijack Engine. This feature is powerful. You take a competitor title, paste it in, and it generates better versions. This is how you tap into what's already working and outperform it. Right now, you have two options. Keep guessing, keep posting content that doesn't get seen, or use a system designed to help you grow. And here's the best part. This is not a subscription. It's a one-time purchase, $29 for the full system. If you're serious about growing, if you're tired of low views, and you know your content deserves more attention, get Algo Raid now. Stop posting content nobody sees. Start posting content the algorithm can't ignore. Algo Raid.